Oh, that's a winner.
More room here anyway.
Yeah.
Make sure they
Oh yeah, similar.
use it for the grass and stuff.
How's that, Paul?
Feels good. Feels better than flying an Airbus, can confirm. No. Okay.
This is a bit hairy.
Yeah, right, quite hairy. Yeah, no wind, you see, you need a... I'm betting my speed control too. Oh no.
That's flat out.
Neck and neck.
Yeah, very close. Oh, it's just, I came back on the power a little bit though now.
Ooh, careful, what's it?
Right.
Oh, yeah, he's backed off though.
The orange one's hard to see. All right, I'm going to land because I don't think the batteries go as long as those ones. All right, power off.
Yeah, that's it. Picking that turn a bit. It's pretty hard to see, isn't it?
Really hard to see.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
I'm all able to see it. Oh, there you go.
Get my power. I can't even see it. There you come.
Oh, come left a bit.
Yeah, that's all right.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Good save there.
Yeah.
Nice.
It was really hard to see.
I lost it.
I knew it was slow. I gave it a quarter throttle. This is went a bit too deep.
Yeah, you would.
Get better than that. We can do better than that. That's the way you want to be.
20 seconds.
Drive it in.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Recovered.
6.
Oh, the numbers.
Just express vessel. Oh right. Yeah. It's like okay, well they're about roughly the right length. He had to shorten them, and I'll wait. Yeah. But they're probably a little bit underrated for the weight.
Took the worry, mate, because he was silly on D1.
Yeah. It's pretty dirty.
No seat, no aircraft, no seat.
That's fine.
See it next time. Oh, shut up.
2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Do a run down the runway here for you, Mario.
Okay.
Alright, I think it's about landing time, Mario.
Is that me?
Yeah, you better.
Okay. Just do a circuit and I'll stop the camera.
You haven't flown for a while?
No, I don't think the engine on. That's good.
20 seconds.
Only old 2.8 litres of fuel.
Oh, okay.
So that was like
Take off here and then.
4 minutes. But I made all the beams and put the engine lights on as well.
When you make it, when you get the bits, you manufacture them yourself?
Yeah, you get
Beautiful. Nice, very nice. You missed the camera, but.
Oh no.
pull them out of the big block.
Oh, nice.
See if I can give it a bit of a...
Yeah. Excellent. I love to see that. Good launch. Good launch.
Come into the wind and do it.
2 minutes.
G10.
Forty seconds. 30 seconds.
Someone didn't like your landing.